Hi friends, in the last session we have learned what is strategy pattern and how to implement. We also have seen pros and cons of using strategy pattern. Objective of this session is not only to learn strategy pattern and also to discuss about why it is not advisable to choose patterns for all your code issues. There is a saying, if all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. This is the problem that haunts many inexperienced developers who have just familiarized themselves with patterns. Having learned about the patterns, they try to apply them everywhere, even in situations where simpler code would do just fine. Let's discuss how to implement strategy pattern with a simple anonymous lambda function in C#.NET. If you see the solution explorer, we have only context and client classes. We have removed all interfaces, concrete classes which implement interfaces in order to implement strategy. Let's look at client class what we have. In this class, we have defined all three function delegates: loss leading strategy, market penetration strategy, competitive advantage strategy. You can see that we have avoided the concrete implementation of these strategies in multiple classes. Then for each year, we are getting customer base count data from the database as like we have seen in the previous implementation. While applying strategy, we are checking conditions as like our previous examples. There are no changes to this. If customer base count is less than 100 million, we are setting loss leading strategy to the context object. Similar fashion, if customer base count is greater than or equal to 100 million and less than 370 million, then we are setting market penetration strategy. And if it is less than 500 million, then we are setting competitive advantage strategy to the context. We will look at what is there in context class. In set strategy method, we are setting different strategies at runtime and invoking the delegates when they are required. In the display prepaid method, we are just displaying the text. There are no changes. We shall run and see the output. Now we have understood why it is not advisable to choose patterns for all the code issues. It's easy to do with the lambda function with the function delegates. Hope the information is useful to you. Thanks for listening to me.